Stepping into an online meeting often means losing the invisible cues that make collaboration feel natural. The micro signals of eye contact and seamless turn taking are stripped away by the digital medium, leaving a sterile void. This creates a hidden burden called the coordination tax. Your attention is forcibly split as you try to monitor a video grid for expressions, scan a scrolling chat log, and type notes into a blank document all at once. You're no longer just a participant. You're forced to act as your own IT administrator and secretary. This mechanical labor consumes the mental energy your brain intended for collaboration. Online meetings don't fail because humans became less social. They fail at coordination, leaving us too exhausted to actually connect with the people on the other side of the screen. Standard AI transcription tools are often framed as the solution, but bolting a passive note-taker onto a call does nothing to reduce the live load of the coordination tax. These tools act as passive observers. They wait for the meeting to end before generating a summary, effectively performing an autopsy on a conversation that is already over. To fix digital collaboration, we have to stop treating video calls as a passive feed and start treating them as an active meeting operating system. AI agents must move beyond post-meeting summaries and begin assisting human execution in the moment. Parivox treats AI agents as active participants, giving them a voice and the authority to act alongside humans within the live room. This is the role of the steward, an agent designed to manage the rigid logistics of the meeting in real time. The steward handles the live busywork, tracking the agenda and populating a shared list of decisions instantly. It also monitors participation metrics, sending a private nudge to the facilitator if one person dominates the floor or someone is too quiet. There is a strict boundary here. The steward never attempts to mimic human empathy. Research shows that performative AI behaviors like synthetic warmth can erode the very trust they were meant to build. By delegating the rigid structure to a machine, you create the psychological safety humans need to be authentic with one another. A meeting operating system also addresses the empty spaces between our scheduled calls. Standard video calls are ephemeral. Like a rented conference room, the space is wiped clean the second the participants hang up. Parivox introduces room continuity, the idea that the digital meeting should be a permanent project room that exists whether or not a call is active. These persistent rooms remember past discussions and preserve files. When you re-enter this space days later, you aren't starting from scratch. You resume work exactly where the team left it, instantly connecting to all accumulated history and previous decisions. Establishing the persistent room as the base unit of work eliminates the digital amnesia common in remote collaboration. A complete meeting operating system brings conversation, coordination, execution, and continuity into a single layer. This reduces the cognitive load of every participant. When the machine handles the agenda and captures decisions, the human brain can stop fighting the interface and start focusing on the team. Active AI in the meeting room serves to insulate human interaction from operational friction. Offloading mechanical busywork frees our bandwidth for what machines cannot do, building strong relationships, solving complex problems, and driving shared progress. Delegating the mechanical structure to an operating system like Parivox builds digital spaces with memory. This lets the technology handle the coordination so we can focus on the connection.